Should you quit your 9 to 5 and start your own business? A few years ago, I was working as a project manager. I used to bring in almost $2 million for the company I was working for. But I saw that I was putting in a lot of time, working 6 days a week, long hours, and I wasn't really happy. I wasn't really happy. So I decided to start my own business. I quit my 9 to 5 and I decided to start my own business. I own my own exterior cleaning business. We clean driveways, patios, decks, gutters, and we are adding roof cleaning and window cleaning to the services that we offer. So should you quit your 9 to 5 and start your own business? Before you do commit to leaving your job, save some money. Save at least 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. Make sure you have a cushion of money before you take the leap. And in the meantime, as you save up some money, that money, like an emergency fund, you're doing your research. What are some of the businesses that you could venture and what is required? And once you do that, then you can commit. Me, to start the business that I started of exterior cleaning business, I was working my 9 to 5 job. I did not just decide to leave my job without any plan. I had a plan. I knew I needed money to start it. So I worked towards starting it. I saved up money, and thank God also my wife supported me to start it. And that's how I started it. So before you quit your 9 to job and take a leap to start your own business, sit down, calculate your monthly expenses in your house. Try to save up 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. And in the meantime, do your research about what you want to start. And once you have these requirements, you can start, actually, as you do that, you can start testing out your idea. If it is a service business, you can do that in the evenings when you leave work and on the weekends when you're not at work. You test out these ideas and see how they work, right? Before you commit. And then once you see that it is gained momentum, it is paying you more than your current job, you can choose to quit your job. But don't commit. Don't just decide to leave your job without having a plan. You need to have a plan. You need to have a plan. Don't take a risk, especially if you have a family. If you have a family, you really need to think about your family too before you take that leap of faith. But I'm an advocate of starting your own business because it will give you freedom when it comes to time with your family, spending time with your family, and also it will give you freedom to your income. And you have freedom of choice. You can decide when to go on vacation. You don't have to ask anyone for vacation days. You can choose whenever you want to go on vacation. You can choose when to do a certain job, right? That is the freedom of owning your own business. So before you quit your job, do those things that I've told you, and then take a leap of faith. And I believe you'll never regret. I've never regretted starting my own business. I've never regretted starting my own business. So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you've not yet subscribed to the channel. And consider joining our YouTube membership club. This club is made of people that are building something and people that encourage each other. You ask questions, and you can ask me questions there too. And you can see the behind the scenes of building my exterior cleaning business. So consider joining our YouTube membership club. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself.